Hello everyone, I welcome you again in my YouTube channel Brilliant Study, and we are studying the chapter carbon and its compound, and today we will study about soap. What is soap? And then after we will study about micelle. So first of all, learn about soap. What is soap? The soap is a salt. Soap is a salt. What type of salt? Now it is a salt of long chain carboxylic acid. Long chain carboxylic acid. And formula of soap will be CnH2n plus 1 COONA. Actually, CnH2n plus 1 COOH. This is the formula for carboxylic acid. If N will be 17 or more than 17, then the chain of the carboxylic acid will be very long. So in this case, the acid will called long chain carboxylic acid. And if in the place of hydrogen, if sodium is kept, in this case it will be the salt of long chain carboxylic acid. That is the formula of soap. Now study about how to prepare soap or how to manufacture the soap. So the process of manufacturing the soap is known as saponification. What happens in the process of saponification? In the process of saponification, actually this reaction occurs in 3 or 4 steps. That makes the reaction a complicated reaction. And so we will learn about this saponification process in the higher classes in detail. But in 10th level, learn in simple way that when long chain carboxylic acid reacts with base, it forms a soap and other compound, alcohol. So in this process soap forms. So this reaction or process is known as saponification, and in this process soap is prepared. And for preparing the soap we need some raw materials. So we'll learn about the raw materials. First of all, we need fats or lipids. The secondly, next, vegetable oil, and we need sodium or potassium hydroxide. These are the raw materials that are used for making soap. Now study about how a soap works. Now when soap is dissolved in water, actually the soap molecule splits into two parts. It splits into two parts. The first part is ionic part or ion part, and the second part is long chain carboxylic acid part. Understand it with the formula of soap? Actually, the formula of soap is CnH2n plus 1 COONA. When it dissolved in water. In this case, the soap molecule will ionize and it will form Na plus and CnH2n plus 1 COO minus. Actually, this part is the ion part or ion formed part, and the other part is the long chain carboxylic acid part. To understand it better, we draw the structure. Suppose that this is the long part, that means carboxylic part, and this is the ionic part. This is the ionic part. In this case, each and every molecule of soap will form two ends, the ionic end and the long chain carboxylic end, which have the characteristic to dissolve in water or dissolve in oil or grease or liquid or any kind of other organic compounds.